Hey everyone, it's Loves Eunice and I'm back again with another video. So I've been getting a lot of requests saying like, Eunice, what have I been eating and like what do I eat on a daily basis. So today I'm going to show you. Today it's the day. So today I'm going to show you a 7-day food vlog of what I've been eating throughout the past couple of days. Alright, so let's get started into this video. I have so many vegetarian and vegan dishes to show you guys, so let's get right into it. I started off my day with some over-hard eggs. I added some black pepper and some salt. I love simple eggs. And then I went ahead to saute some mushrooms to add on the side. Plus I added my favorite multigrain bread on the side. And there you have it, my go-to breakfast. For lunch, me and my sister decided to team up to make some veggie lasagna. We added some mushrooms, carrots, red peppers, zucchini, parsley, onions, spinach, and we just chopped them up really fine. For a snack, I decided to grab an orange. I like my oranges nice and cold. For dinner, I made a stir-fry mix with these, and I also added some green beans. I grated some pepper, and I added some seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and some Cajun, and I boiled some black-eyed peas on the side, and that was my dinner. So this is actually my go-to breakfast. I talk about it all the time. So I boiled some steel-cut oats with some almond milk, and I add a hint of vanilla, cinnamon, and some brown sugar, and I toss some blueberries on the side, and you're set. I actually didn't add the eggplant last minute. I wasn't feeling the combo with these veggies. So I made a stir-fry mix. I added some paprika, herb and garlic, and a dash of all-purpose seasoning, and I had this with some boiled potatoes and yam. For snack, I had a cup of blueberries, which are my faves. For dinner, I soaked the chickpeas overnight. I made a chickpea curry mix with sweet potatoes with onions. I added some curry seasoning, black pepper, and some all-purpose. I paired it with quinoa with some green beans, mushrooms, and bell peppers. For breakfast, I made some banana muffins with some almond milk, of course. I added some dark chocolate chips into them, which made me minimize the sugar. My snack today were these coconut clusters, which you can eat by itself or you can pair it with so many different foods. Dinner, I seasoned some plantain and sweet potatoes with olive oil. I also made a stir-fry mix with onions, zucchini, okra, bell peppers, and parsley. I paired it with some avocado and some rice. For breakfast, I made some oatmeal pancakes with almond milk. I paired it with some blueberries and mint tea. For a snack, I had a banana and I also paired it with some pistachios. For lunch, I boiled some squash, and in a separate pot, I diced up some mushrooms, eggplant, and green onions with some vegetable broth to give it that saucy type. Later, I added some Swiss chard and I paired it with quinoa. For dinner, I baked some sweet potato fries in the oven with some olive oil. I used Cajun and black pepper seasoning. Then I boiled some chickpea pasta. I created avocado creamy sauce with some stir-fried veggies on the side. This is my go-to breakfast when I'm running late for work. It's super fast to make. I added some berries, mangoes, and some orange juice to blend it. I topped it off with some kale and lots of ginger. I boiled some barley and I sauteed some tomatoes with some onions and garlic. Later, I seasoned it with some herb and garlic and some all-purpose seasoning and shredded some hot pepper into it. I paired it with plantain made from the air fryer. For a snack, I had some watermelon with some water. I was feeling for some spaghetti, so I diced up some onions, cut up some mushrooms, bell peppers, green beans, and okra, and I tossed in collard greens last minute. I steamed them up with veggie broth, oil, and water. I added some seasoning with some pepper, of course, mixed the sauce in the pot, and the spaghetti was done. It was nice and easy to make. For breakfast, I used Amaranth, which is gluten-free and it provides lots of fiber. I love it. I made it over the stove with water and I added some dates for a natural sweetener. I also sprinkled some coconut flakes on top, the ones that I told you guys that can be used for anything. It was bomb. For a snack, I had some cantaloupe and I just paired it with some water. For lunch, it was nice and quick thanks to the air fryer. I made some meatless mushroom meatballs, which were delicious. Comment below if you think I should do a detailed video of the meatballs. For dinner, I just steamed up some bell peppers with some seasoning. I added some sweet potatoes and barley, which were my leftovers. For breakfast, I was so hungry, so I decided to make an omelet with mushrooms, green onions, and some collard greens on the side. And also, I decided to make a berry smoothie with lots and lots of ginger. For snack, I had these multigrain crackers, which are so addicting and healthy and also gluten-free. I paired it with apples and a cup of water. For lunch, I had one of my favorite on-the-go sweet kale salad. I love it also because it contains so many superfoods all in just one serving. For dinner, I soaked some chickpeas overnight and I sliced some golden potatoes and sweet potatoes and I seasoned them and I tossed them in the air fryer. I diced some onions, parsley, and tomatoes and seasoned it up and paired it with some brown rice. Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys find some ideas of what to cook or what to snack on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and follow me on my social media accounts and feel free to message me if you have any questions. Thank you and stay safe.